It's the fuel for gamers, athletes, and night owls. But how do factories bottle lightning? Let's go inside the high-speed world of energy drinks.
It starts with ultra-purified water. Then comes the kick, caffeine and taurine. These powerful powders are dissolved to create the energy base.
To give it that refreshing bite, the mix is chilled to near freezing. Then, carbon dioxide is blasted in, creating millions of tiny bubbles.
Thousands of empty aluminum cans enter the line. They are swept onto belts and blasted with ionized air to remove even a speck of dust. This happens in the blink of an eye. The lid is dropped and double-seamed onto the can body, locking the fizz and flavor inside forever.
Pasteurizer. After sealing, cans travel through a tunnel pasteurizer. Hot water showers gently heat and then cool them, killing microbes and extending shelf life without cooking the flavor.
Every can gets an identity, date, and batch code. Vision systems scan each one, and anything unreadable is instantly rejected before it can reach a shelf.
Energy drinks sell on attitude and design. Automated eyes check every logo and barcode, so only flawless cans carry the brand's image out into the world.
Robots stack the packs into towering pallets, wrapped tight for the journey. From here, trucks will carry this liquid energy to stores, gyms, and late-night fridges around the world.
Before shipping, samples go to the lab. Scientists check acidity, sugar levels, and caffeine precision. Every sip must deliver the exact same kick.
For the health conscious, the process changes. Instead of sugar, high-intensity sweeteners are used. Same energy, zero guilt. It's become a massive part of the market.
From esports arenas to racetracks, these brands spend billions to associate their cans with speed, victory, and focus.
But power comes with a warning. High caffeine can increase heart rate. Manufacturers recommend limits, and mixing with alcohol is a dangerous game. Moderation is key to the boost.
The best part? The can itself. Aluminum is infinitely recyclable. A can you throw in the bin today could be back on the shelf as a new energy drink in just 60 days.
This is a global operation. Millions of cans are shipped daily by road, sea, and air. From Tokyo to New York, the supply chain never sleeps.
Waiting in the cold. Vending machines are the frontline soldiers, keeping the cans chilled to the perfect 3 degrees Celsius, ready for anyone needing a midnight boost.
The chemistry hits the bloodstream. Caffeine blocks tiredness receptors in the brain, tricking you into feeling alert. The fog clears and the focus returns.
The industry is evolving. The future is natural caffeine, nootropics for brain power, and sustainable packaging. The quest for the perfect fuel never ends.
If this video gave you a boost,